Imagine unlocking the secrets to income growth and investment in 2024. It's no easy feat, is it? Navigating the challenges requires a blend of savvy investment strategies and innovative approaches to work. Today, 4 key strategies stand out in the current economic climate that can help you grow your income and investments. Embrace new investment frontiers. Larry Fink, CEO of the world's largest asset manager BlackRock, offered valuable insights into the volatile investment landscape. He predicted that the annual inflation rate is unlikely to return to the 2% target set by the Federal Reserve. This highlights the need for investors to explore alternative avenues for preservation and growth. Fink and BlackRock's recent strategic positioning in the investment landscape guides those looking to diversify their portfolios. By leveraging BlackRock's expertise, investors should take note and examine future opportunities, such as sustainable investments, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology. By embracing new frontiers and keeping pace with market trends, individuals can tap into growth potential and mitigate inflation's impact on their savings. Scene script: harness the power of freelancing. Alongside evolving investment strategies, the nature of work is transforming, helping people increase their income. Once considered a niche activity, freelancing has become a traditional career choice for many seeking flexibility and independence. However, the traditional freelance model needs more transparency and security for workers and employers alike. Enter LaborX, a pioneering platform developed by Chrono.tech, founded by Australian entrepreneur Sergey Sergienko. LaborX is revolutionizing the freelance landscape by leveraging blockchain technology to facilitate transparent and secure transactions between employers and freelancers. Using smart contracts, LaborX ensures both parties uphold their end of the bargain, fostering trust and accountability in the freelance ecosystem. LaborX's innovative approach to freelancing allows people to monetize their skills and expertise in a decentralized marketplace. Whether it's graphic design, software development, or digital marketing, freelancers can find opportunities tailored to their talents and preferences. Moreover, LaborX offers a seamless transition from temporary to full-time work, ensuring stability and security in an increasingly fluid job landscape. In conclusion, 2024 brings unique opportunities for income growth and investment. By embracing new investment frontiers, harnessing the power of freelancing, and leveraging innovative platforms like LaborX, individuals can navigate the challenges of the current economic climate. The key is to stay agile, explore emerging opportunities, and adapt to changing market trends. With these strategies, unlocking income growth and investment in 2024 is not only possible, but achievable.